This is how to get a NordicTrack C900i through your front door. Obviously it doesn't fit. It's so easy once you just look at it. Take this front cover off right here. It goes right there. Just takes a couple little screws there. They're easy to find. Then you get exposed to this. All you do is take the power supply. You can see it come through the bottom there. Follow it up, and you just pull it out like that. My ground wire was right there. I just unscrewed that, and then you just shove it reverse through this hole. Here's the back side, right here. And it's got this little grommet that kind of snaps in there, and I just got a screwdriver and pried the shit out of it till it came out. And then you just pull it out like that all the way. I'm not gonna do it because I already did it, but just pull it all the way out. And that disconnects the outer arm from the base electrically. Some people say to follow it all the way up here and undo all this crap. You don't have to do that. Just take that one little plug out. Then you lift this little leg up here. See those 3 Allen keys? You undo those 3. I use this. It's 7/32, and there's 3 on the other side too. And just this little thing just slides up. Once you do that, the outer part comes apart from the base, and then the big silver part just fits through your door, no problem. And then you just lower the treadmill part down nice and flat. And then obviously that's just long and skinny when it's not connected to the support there, and it just fits right through your door. So that's it, 6 bolts, 6 screws, and unplug the power supply. Took like 20 minutes. I messed with this for like 2 hours yesterday trying to figure out how to disconnect this panel, and that was dumb. So, hope I saved somebody some time. Thanks.